Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vinaigrette salad. Start by measuring oil and vinegar at a 3-to-1 ratio and pour into a bowl or jar. Add a pinch of salt, freshly ground pepper, and any sweetener if desired. Whisk while slowly adding oil until the mixture thickens, or shake the jar for a quick emulsion. Taste and adjust seasoning before tossing with greens. Experiment with flavor by starting with a basic vinaigrette and adding one bold element at a time. Stir in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for creaminess and stability, or swap in honey for a gentler sweetness. Fresh herbs lifted by lemon zest make a bright finish, while crushed garlic or shallots add savory depth. Keep tasting as you go to balance acid, salt, and sweetness for your preferred flavor. Texture matters as much as flavor when dressing a salad, so let your vinaigrette sit at room temperature briefly before serving. Emulsify by whisking or shaking until the dressing thickens. This helps it cling to leaves. Swap extra virgin olive oil for a lighter oil to reduce bite, or add a small spoon of water to loosen a too thick dressing. Whichever method you choose, toss gently to coat evenly just before plating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.